Welcome back to Nursing Manthra, and today's video I will guide you through the one of the most rewarding career opportunities for internationally educated nurses. That is how to become a registered nurse in Germany. Germany is a dream destination for many non-EU nurses because of high demand for healthcare professionals, attractive salaries and benefits, free of affordable healthcare and education, a pathway to permanent residency. So, if you are a nurse trained outside Europe, this video is your complete roadmap to getting licensed and working in Germany. Why your place of work in Germany matters. Before starting the process, choose the federal state where you plan to work because each state has its own competent authority. Procedures, cost of the process, and documents required, it can vary based on the authority which you are selecting. You will get counseling support only after deciding your target location. Use the official counseling search tool or hotline to select your preferred region. Now we will see step-by-step licensing process for Germany. Step 1. German language proficiency. You must demonstrate B2 level German based on the Common European Framework of Reference CEFR. Accepted certificates are TELC B2 P-flat, Goethe certificate B2. B2 level is required. Then OSD certificate B2. This is a non-negotiable requirement to work as a nurse in Germany. Step 2. Apply for recognition. Apply to the competent authority in your chosen state. Documents required. We have to fill the application form, your passport and ID cards, your passport, marriage certificate if it is applicable, updated resume, degree certificates, transcript, diploma supplements, mark sheets, then work experience certificates, proof of intent to work in Germany, previous recognition applications if you have, then police clearance from Germany and home country within 3 months, medical fitness certificate from Germany and home country within 3 months, B2 language certificates, soon German translations, all documents has to do the German translations, certified copies of all certificates. Do not send originals by post. Check if submission is online or by mail or in person based on your state authority. Step 3. Application evaluation and result. You have to get the full recognition. Either it is full recognition or no recognition. Full recognition means your qualification, it matches with the German standards. So you will receive the Berufsurkunde, that means a license to practice. If the recognition is not met means because of a qualification gap or any other problems, you have to complete an adaptation period, that is 6 to 12 months, or you have to complete the knowledge test. So recognition with conditions. So sometimes they will recognize your application with some conditions. If medical fitness, police clearance or language is missing, the authority will guide you how to do this. Like with the conditions, they will keep the recognition. Now we will see your legal rights. You can appeal a negative decision. Seek advice from a legal expert or counseling center. If your qualification is not fully recognized, choose one of the following, that is either adaptation period or supervised clinical training in a German healthcare setting, or knowledge test, covers the theoretical and practical nursing knowledge in the knowledge test. So once passed, your qualification will be fully recognized. Now we will see the recognition cost. So recognition application fee is 40 to 500 euro it will cost, depends on the state. And language test B2, it costs around 150 to 350 euro. Then translation and notarizing, it will be 200 to 500 euro it will cost. And compensation measures, it varies which compensation measures you are taking, according to that it varies, and total estimated is around 500 to 1500 euro, like that. Financial support may be available if you are already in Germany. Apply before starting your process. Timeline: 1 month confirmation of document receipt. Then it will take about 4 months for decision by competent authority. May take longer in complex cases. So now we will see visa pathway for nurses. If you are outside Germany, apply for a nursing job seeker visa or visa for qualification recognition. After recognition, convert to a work visa. Non-EU nurses can enter Germany to complete the compensation measures. Final checklist before applying. Choose your state, that means your place of work. Pass B2 level German language. Translate and notarize all required documents. Apply to your competent authority. Prepare for adaptation period or knowledge test. Explore options for financial support. Apply for a visa if you are abroad. Need help? We are here for you. At Nursing Manthra, we offer personalized document checklist, help choosing your ideal federal state, support for recognition application, visa guidance, employer connections for adaptation programs, preparation for the exam. Germany offers amazing career growth, stability, and quality of life for nurses from outside Europe. If you are serious about working in Germany, start preparing your documents and your German language today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your fellow nurses. Tap the bell icon so you won't miss any updates from Nursing Mantra.